I'm recording that video because my new students, who are most of them beginner or just starting on painting, they always ask me what kind of material they have to buy. Okay, and they ask me that not once, two, three, many times they ask me that. So I decided to make something to show you all my material in one budget, which is not the cheapest budget, because the cheapest tools are absolutely crap. Don't buy cheap material, but don't buy also very expensive material. You don't need that when you start painting. My budget for that, for all the material, is around 200 US dollar. So first, what I have to show you, it's the palette for artists. Okay, you can find in that wooden palette easily. The size of this one is good. Okay, another thing is very important. It's the palette cup, where you will put your solvent and your linseed oil. That you have to have that. Another thing, it's that palette knife. Okay, you can see those palette knives are not big, okay, medium, and you have to have something who is very, 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 supple. Okay, if you don't find that in the palette knife, don't buy it. It's not good. You need something who is very supple, okay, because you will mix with that. Okay, another thing very, very important is that I know that people call that brushes. They are brushes, but I call that tools. Okay, you have thousands of different kind of brushes and brands. You have round, flat, that kind. Look, myself, I have that are tools. Okay, and you have to think them as a tools. Depend what you want to do, and what kind of result you want, and depend also on your style, what kind of style you want, if you want to paint à la prima or not. That's very important. I love my brushes, that's why I take time to care about, and I clean them very well, but that is part of another video. That there is one PDF you can download, and you will have all the resume of the product, the tools, the set of color, the oil and solvent and easels, with the price also on that PDF. So feel free to download it. So that is all for that video, that part, sorry, who talks about tools. Follow me in the next one.